Hey everyone, just getting to here. So, yeah, I guess today I'm gonna be, looking at plow trucks, I guess. You know, I'm always talking about plow trucks. And my favorite truck, which I've mentioned before, I'm always talking about plow trucks. Well, I'm not always talking about plow trucks, but I'm talking about getting one like I did in my one video. You know, where I'm talking about, you know, Ford and Dodge and the Power Stroke and Cummins. But I'm getting myself a Ford plow truck. Probably I'm gonna get like a '95 Ford F350. Standard cab. And then probably the plow that I'm gonna probably gonna probably the plow that I'm gonna be putting on it will be a Western straight blade plow. And then I was talking about my favorite one, the Western whiteout. I could use a Western whiteout, but I would have to use a regular straight blade. But but anyways, if I have a 2002 Ford F350, then I would get the Western whiteout and then start plowing people's lots or businesses or whatnot. Then, then that's where I would get the whiteout. But although the Western whiteout may be my favorite, but for right now I'll get the Western straight blade plow. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Today I'm gonna be looking at plow trucks today. And then I guess I'll be talking to you guys next time, alright? Alright. See ya.